Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome back to another Cheap Lazy Vegan video. Today, we are going to be making some macaroni salad. It is going to be easy, it is going to be vegan, it is going to be delicious, and it is going to be perfect for your summer, any summer barbecue or potluck, or just a random night, okay? So, first, we are going to boil the water, okay? And we're going to get that rolling. We're going to get the pasta boiling. We're going to boil according to the instructions on the packaging. And then let's move on to chopping the vegetables. So we're going to start with some carrot. I say carrot because it's just one. I'm just using one carrot. And I am chopping julienne style. I think this is the chopping method. I could be wrong, okay? But very thin slices, and I learned how to do this from my mother, okay? And I am proud to know that I can do this. It took me a long time to learn how to chop things like this. You don't have to chop them like this perfectly. You can throw your carrots into a food processor to chop them. That works really fine. I actually kind of enjoy chopping them this way, so that's why I do it. So first I chop them thinly on an angle. Then I chop those pieces into very thin pieces like so. So let me show you another little angle here so you know what I'm talking about. So here we're chopping them horizontally but with a bit of an angle. And then we're going to chop them like so, very thinly. So yeah, this is actually fun. I enjoy this, okay? It's kind of therapeutic. Okay, and it makes me feel good that I can chop things in a nice way, and it's beautiful. Anyways, we're gonna chop the carrot, and then let's chop some green onion. So I'm using 2 stalks of green onion, my friends. I'm making 2 servings, by the way, 2 to 3 servings. But of course, if you want to make 4 servings, you know what you do, guys? You double this recipe. Just use some simple math, my friends. It's very easy. If I had celery, I would have used some celery as well, but I didn't have any celery. But if I had celery, I would use about 1 stalk or 2 stalks of celery. I'm also going to add in some green peas as well. I have these frozen green peas that I'm just going to throw into the pasta about 2 minutes before the pasta is finished, just to allow that to cook with the pasta. And of course, if you don't want to use green peas, you don't have to. You can also use chickpeas. That's a really, really great option for this pasta salad, which is what I've been doing as well. But this time I just decided to use green peas. Next thing, I'm going to use some cherry tomatoes. Once again, you don't need to use this, but I had some cherry tomatoes and I thought it would be a great addition to the pasta salad, which it was. But you can feel free to use something else that you have, my friends. There are no rules, as I always say. So we've got these beautiful colors. Oh my God, how beautiful, guys. I love the rainbow colors. Once the pasta is done cooking, we're gonna rinse thoroughly in cold water and make sure it is nice and cold because we want a cold pasta salad. So we're gonna drain that. We're gonna move that to a nice mixing bowl. And then that's when we can put everything together. So let's throw in the carrots, the green onion, the tomatoes. And for the very simple dressing, we're going to add in a 1/4 cup of vegan mayo. Now, this was quite a bit, but it was very delicious because the more mayo, the better. But if you want to use a little bit less, start with a little bit less and see if you need more. Here we have some sweet green relish. This is a really great addition as well. I'm using 3 tablespoons of that. Once again, you can try 2 tablespoons at first. Add a little more if you want. Next ingredient, we're going to use 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard and 1 to 2 tablespoons of ketchup. The ketchup part is optional. I've done it with and without, and they're both delicious. I do think the ketchup adds more flavor and more depth and more deliciousness. As you guys already know, I love me some ketchup. Okay, we're gonna mix that well. And don't forget, guys, you can always give it a little taste and see how you like it and see if you want to add a little more of something. My something was some garlic powder. I decided to add in a little bit of garlic powder, maybe about 1 teaspoon, maybe about 1/2 teaspoon. I wasn't measuring, but I mean, a little garlic powder never hurt anybody. So we're gonna mix that well again. Last but not least, we're going to top with a little bit of black pepper. You can also add a little salt if you need, whatever you guys need, okay? The black pepper is optional, but that's pretty much it, guys. This is a very simple macaroni salad. You can always feel free to switch up some of the ingredients, which I always do, just depending on what I have. This is just what I made based on what I had. It was delicious. It was great, okay? Love me some macaroni salad. I think it's a great comfort food for the summer. It's so easy. It is perfect. Absolutely perfect for a barbecue, for a potluck. Seriously, guys, I've made this for my non-vegan friends. They loved it. It is so good. Try it out, guys. You won't regret it. The recipe is written in a blog post down below, so you can refer to that for all of the measurements and all of that good stuff. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!